yeah, bold, italics, underline is self-explanatory, double underline, italics. Now this is really useful, so it's to create these borders. So let's just clear this formatting, so to give us something to work with. So selecting it all under here, click clear formats. Okay, and let's just copy this a few times. So borders is to get this box around here which will print off. So select the area you want to create a border around. Now there's many different types of, you could use bottom border, top, etc. The one I use 99% of the time is this one, just the outside border. And once I've selected there, then that's selected there as default, so I could just do the same there, click that, and then just click that one because it's already selected. That is very useful. And also I would do, as you see here, I've also done the bottom bit, and I've done the columns of numbers like that, and I could also put the top thing in a border if I wanted. And the other thing you might do is to create a thick border around the outside, thick outside border. You see that really stands out, and that's a really nice frame to have outside your tables. Suppose you've got a table with lots of columns, so selecting these, copy, let's just paste it to there. Supposing you wanted to just have each cell basically have a border, so you have an internal border as well. You can do that here, so you click to see that all borders, there you are. And that makes it very useful when you print off, so you can, you know, if you're there and you just can follow the lines, so you know that that is on Thursday. If it's a massive spreadsheet that you're handing someone, it can be quite hard to see what row it's on unless they have a ruler. So the internal borders is something you can definitely use sometimes. These on this page, these are the only ones I personally tend to use. The all borders, the outside borders, and the thick outside borders. Let's just do a nice thick outside border around that. Very nice.